How's it going, Castonians? My name's Masscast, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we'll be unboxing the AMD Radeon RX 6700 XT, from the Asus Dual Edition of it. I've been trying to get a 3070 for so long now, and I just cannot get my hands on one. It's really frustrating, it's been really annoying, so this was the next best thing, and it's gonna be super badass. So we're gonna unbox it. I'm not gonna be testing it out or anything, I'm just gonna unbox it, because maybe some people want to see it. And I'm also going to take a picture of it when it's inside of my computer, because I'm going to have a friend over who want to be part of it, I guess. So, but I wanted to quickly record this unboxing. So, I wanted originally the SFX Merc 319 Black or something like that it's called. It's like a massive, it's like bigger than the Strix. But they didn't have it in stock, like in their own warehouse, so I couldn't order it. But this one I could. Which stays as dual, which is fine. That way I also don't need to move my CPU cooler. But no matter what, let's get straight into the video and let's unbox it. Alright guys, sorry for the weird camera angle, but here we got the graphics card, the RX 6700 XT. So really cool. I'm not recording on my phone today. I don't really want to. We're just gonna do this quick and easy. Have some tape on each side here, so we're just gonna get rid of that. There we go. And I broke the box. Great. Alright guys, there we go. So it's very dark, but Asus in search of incredible. Gonna open up the front here. Here it is. God damn it, I'm breaking it. There we go. And there's a lot of stuff that comes in this thing. Let me get all the paperwork out. Get the box in the ground. Here's the RX 6700 XT. So it has some steps on packing steps. So you fold these out. Oh, see it. Open up the sides here. Probably not the best way of doing it, but that's fine. And here it is, the RX 6700 XT, Asus Dual Edition. Has a backplate on it right there. And if you want to know, it has an 8-pin and a 6-pin, which is super cool. It also has a dual switch, which I'm guessing doesn't really do much. It's in P mode, which I'm guessing is performance mode, which is probably what I'm gonna be using it at anyways. We have some, sorry, just the wrong way around. We have some Asus or Asus, or however you want to pronounce it, right there. And we got some Radeon. We got the plastic on. I'm gonna keep that on for now because I'm not gonna be testing it out right now. So yeah, like if you go for black and white build, this might actually work pretty well. I'm just going for whatever build, so I don't really have specific colors. There's the thickness of it, and there's the ports. So they have covers on right now, but they have 3 display ports and a HDMI 2.1, I'm pretty sure, so you can do 4K at 120 or something like that. Support there. I'm not gonna take all these off yet. It's a 2.5-ish slot card, I think. It's definitely 2 slot and then a little bit more. Got that open design in the back, which just, I don't know, I really like it. I'm glad that graphics cards nowadays are beginning to use actual, like, backplates, all of them. They just come with them. It's really cool. Well, there are some that doesn't, which are the cheaper versions. You have the PCIe slot right here, or whatever you want to call it, insert. But yeah, it's a really nice graphics card. Let's keep that there and let's check out some of these things you get. So you get a card, like a plain kind of card with a QR code on, and there's some sort of battle deck thingy. The Dual, leveraging advanced cooling technologies derived from flagship graphics cards, the Asus Dual series delivers the latest gaming experience in its purest form, the perfect choice for a well-balanced build. It has some overclocking and some heat dissipation things, I don't know. We have Asus speed setup. I don't really know what that's all about. It's pretty much just a manual. What did you expect? But yeah, really cool. And then we got your warranty card. So that's pretty much what comes in the package for this graphics card, which is, you know, pretty nice, pretty nice. I really like the look of it. Some people probably say it's a little boring and plain, and that's exactly what I like. So the little silver accent here. So if you actually put this up with some G-Skill RAM, their Neo RGB RAM, it would actually fit really nice with the silver. and stuff like that. Really cool. I'm gonna pack it up again, so my friend does know I unboxed it already because he wanted to be part of it. Sorry if you heard that loud sound. But yeah, so that's the RX 6700 XT. I know, not NVIDIA, but I don't want to wait. Really, I just want to be able to play games. I do have some videos or some video games that I benchmarked in this game with the 1060, and then I'm gonna be doing some with this one. I don't know if I'll put those in videos, probably not, but yeah, I'm gonna be playing some games on it. I'm gonna try streaming with it and stuff and recording. Hopefully a lot more videos will come out. There's been no videos for the past month or so, but I just haven't wanted to edit, so hopefully I can enjoy it with this. We will find out together. But yeah, so that's the duel. I really hope I helped you. There wasn't a lot of unboxings on this specific one, so I thought as well I might do it. So that's what gets in the box and what it is. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah. Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you the graphics inside of the computer because some people might have a question about how it fits. So this is the N60 H510, just regular edition in black. And I wanted to show you how it fits. This is an NCXT Kraken 63X, I'm pretty sure it's called, or X63. Not the new RGB version with new fans, but it's a 280 millimeter AIO. So it's a 140 and a 140 fan. And you can see it's not even, the fans are not even inside of this part, which it can be. It's all the way out as it can go. And the graphics card fits in there with quite a bit of space, as you can see. Hopefully it's not too dark, but there's quite a bit of space. Like there's more space than my thumb. So it does fit in here if you like, if you have an AIO in front of it in the H510. So yeah. Also there's my new RAM. It's the Corsair Vengeance Pro RGB SL, 3600 megahertz at CL18. So it's 32 gigabytes, so 8 times 4. But here's the graphics card. It's really nice. It's quite hefty. It's quite thick. I'm using 2 separate power cables because I didn't know if that was the right way to do it or you can just run off of one. I didn't want to take the chance, so I'm just using 2 separate PCIe cables. So that's good. But yeah, so that's how it fits. It's really nice, though right now you probably can't hear it, but it actually, when I first got it, it had a lot of coil wind. Like this has quite a bit of coil wind. But when you have the side panel on and you're playing a game, you don't hear it at all. So yeah, other than that, it's a pretty nice graphics card. It is overclocked a little bit. I don't remember my overclock settings, but that's the graphics card. RX 6700 XT dual. Also, I don't know if you control this RGB, so I just left it standard. So yeah, that's the PC. As you guys see, the new audio equipment, really nice. I wanted to test out some games for you, just so you guys can kind of see the performance of an RX 6700 XT with the little bit of overclocking that I showed you before. And it also, I'm running with 32 gigabytes of RAM, 3600 megahertz, as you heard, and a Ryzen 7 5800X. Alright guys, so this is Call of Duty Warzone, running at 1440p, full screen, highest settings. Let me show you the settings we have right now that we have the time. You can copy them here. VSync off, unlimited frame rates, and everything is on the highest it possibly can be without ray tracing. There you go. Around the 90, 100 FPS right there.
Watch the skies.
So this is more than playable, and again, if you want a little higher frame rate, then you can easily do that if you want to. So you gotta remember this is in 1440p, not 1080. So if you're using this graphics card for 1080, to be honest, you're gonna be set for a very, very long time. But yeah, so this is just a little bit of a test of it. I don't have Cold War, so I can't test that out for you, but I feel like Warzone is probably the game people play the most anyways. But yeah, I feel like that's enough Call of Duty. So let's jump over to another game. Okay guys, so here we are right now over the map in the plane, and you can see here we're hitting around the 200 FPS. Now again, this is up in the plane, so this is not really a real world sort of test, so we're gonna wait until we're down on the ground. Alright guys, so here we are parachuting down. I wanted to go with a kind of an area where I knew people weren't, so we could test it out a little more, because I don't want to die instantly, because that's what I would do, because I'm really bad at PUBG. Now, you're probably wondering why I decided to go with PUBG since, well, who really plays PUBG anymore? This game, for me, in the past, has been notoriously badly running. No matter pretty much, even when I got my OG PC and this game came out, it has never really ran well for me on like super low settings and whatnot. So, it's a game that I wanted to test because it's really not that well optimized. So, also, I just want to say, it looks great in Ultra 1440p. I know it won't come across as good on YouTube, but trust me, it's really good. We're still hitting around the 120. Again, this is a 165Hz monitor, so you probably want to get up into that area. Especially since, again, this is an NVIDIA graphics card, so G-Sync is not a thing. It does a FreeSync, and that is enabled. So this is at Ultra settings. Let's go in and just lower it down to high. Apply. And now we're hitting the 150s, 160s, so that gave us a good 40-ish FPS. So if you're running a 1440p 144Hz monitor, this is perfect. High settings are exactly what you should be playing. If you want even higher FPS, up in the 200s, you'd probably have to go medium. I guess I'll put that on for you guys, just so we can sort of get an idea. This is medium. Now, the game definitely doesn't look as good now, but our FPS rose to 180. This is not really the settings that I'd be playing at. Like, I wouldn't play at medium. But this is way more than playable. Hey guys, welcome to Fortnite now. Finally in. It took me 10 minutes to download the fucking update. But as you can see, here's the settings we're running at. We're trying to do epic settings so far for you guys. It's not gonna run that well because Fortnite is notoriously bad optimized, in my opinion. One of, if not, the worst optimized game ever. I think it's really badly optimized. So as you can see, the stutters we're getting, they're quite kind of extreme, but yeah, as you can see, it had another stutter. I think this game really just isn't optimized to be played on super high settings. But I feel like this is good enough. I know we didn't really see no combat, but just playing alone around here, 110-ish. 110-ish FPS on everything max settings. But yeah, it's one of those games where you really aren't going to play this game on high graphics anyways. So here we got a little bit of fighting. There we go. The FPS felt fine, I'm not gonna lie. It wasn't actually that bad. So we've tried that now. So let's go back into the settings and just take everything on low. Keep this at 100% and then put this on epic. A little bit of textures like that. Apply that. And you can actually see that suffered our FPS quite a bit, which is kind of weird it did that. Seems to have stabilized now. Okay, I just got a lot worse there for some reason. But it seems like it's sort of the same thing. As I said, this game is quite badly optimized. But yeah, so that's competitive settings. You guys can sort of see the FPS if you want to. But yeah, so that's Fortnite. Let's go into the final game. Alright guys, so here we go. Here's the game that y'all probably know and love, which is called Tarkov. Escape from Tarkov. This is just an offline raid, by the way. This is done with the unlocked FPS mode, where you actually activate VSync in-game, but you remove it in like in your NVIDIA control panel or whatever. These are the things we're running: high, medium. You can copy these if you want to. This is my post effects if you want to copy them. Always shown on everything. We don't have any of these on because we don't need them. Interchange is one of those maps that runs a little bad inside. It's by far not the worst running map. I don't think so. I feel like that might be customs or reserve. But with this, you can sort of get an idea. This game is not a very, very popular game. I feel like a lot of people interested in graphics cards right now are wanting to get into Tarkov. So I feel like it's a good idea to do it. And a lot of people aren't testing it with their RX 6700 XT, so I feel like it'll help a lot of people. The in-game FPS counter is known, and the developers even said themselves, does make the performance go down a little bit. I'd say add around 3, like 5-ish FPS maybe to the number you can see up there. Escape from Tarkov. Do you guys play it? Let me know in the comments. I play it from time to time, not a lot. So now we're inside of the mall. This is a very normal place you'll go to because that's the front. And we're hitting around the 60, 70 FPS. It sort of depends on what we're looking at and what's going on. There you go. We're shooting. We dropped a little bit. But you can see that we dropped a little bit of FPS as well. Again, this is recording it in 1440p as well at the same time. So there's probably extra things you can do to make the game run even better. I don't know. But no matter what, I hope this gave you a little bit of sort of a look to what Tarkov will run like. Like, I know this isn't phenomenal FPS, and some people will probably be like, no, this is terrible. This is unplayable. But when it comes to Tarkov, this is actually like a really good FPS. So it's also not gonna be too good if you play like me. Terribly. So this is medium scavs. We're hitting out to 40. It's not the greatest. I'm not gonna say that at all. Like, it's not running like a 3080. Like, of course not. It's a little worse than the 3070. But this is completely fine and playable. But guys, that is the end of the testing. So let me go to the outro, and I hope this helped you a little bit. And yeah. But yeah, guys, that's my unboxing of an RX 6700 XT Asus Dual. Really hope you enjoyed it. I don't know how good this is compared to any other graphics cards. It's the tough and stuff like that. I really don't know if it's like a lot worse, or it's probably worse than those two because they're a lot more expensive, like the Strix and shit like that. They're a lot more expensive and probably worse than some Gigabyte stuff. I don't really know. I don't know how this fares up against every other one, like SFX and Sapphire or whatever they're called. So you guys do your research if you want to. I don't really know much about it. I just wanted a good graphics card, or at least a decent one. This is going to be playing in 1440p, so it's not going to be wasted on a 1080p monitor. But guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video no matter what. I know it wasn't that professional or anything crazy. Kind of expected that from this channel from now on. On Friday, I will be getting a new microphone though. I'll be getting a Shure SM58, so that's awesome. So hopefully the video audio quality and stuff like that's going to be a little better. And hopefully a lot more videos going to come out because I really want to release something for you guys. It really sucks not making anything. But no matter what, guys, I fucking love y'all. Hope you had an amazing day, or will have an amazing day. But if you liked it, remember to punch the like button. And guys, I'll see all y'all in the next video. Goodbye.